Welcome. We're here in Destin, Florida. We got the beautiful white sandy beaches at this phenomenal, incredible resort. We've been traveling all over the world doing masterminds in different destinations. And one of my favorite parts is the collaboration. We're so much better and we've got all of these different leaders from different companies. This particular mastermind had leaders from 13 different companies where they're sharing their latest and greatest strategies, insights, tips, breakthroughs.
We knew that we needed to go where the leaders were. We wanted to surround ourselves with experts, with the best of the best. And Rob is definitely one of the best leaders out there, one of the best trainers. You know, he speaks from the heart. He's a ton of fun to work with. And the thing is, again, the community, the camaraderie, the ideas, the masterminding, the conversations in the hallways and at lunch and at dinner, like that's what it's all about.
Even some of their struggles and things they're dealing with burnout and other issues where they're stuck in their business.
When I first heard about this event, my immediate reaction was that I can't make it work. And largely because I'm expecting my baby, but this is the best network marketing event that I've ever been to. And I feel like I just got poured into left and right. Everywhere I turned, people were helping me and lifting me up.
I'm telling you, collaboration is one of the greatest keys to have success. And when you get in a room with all these other successful, phenomenal leaders sharing their latest and greatest insights and tips, the energy is next level.
The reason why we keep coming back, now for the third time and probably going to be coming back to the next one as well, is because of the connections.
I did one of these a couple years ago. It totally changed the way I do network marketing and increased my checks 6 figures a month. There's already things that I learned in this mastermind that I think I can double my business again. And so here would be one of my biggest takeaways. Rob actually taught this yesterday. He said, look, you need to treat your team like a sports team and not like a family. And I thought that was interesting because I always kind of think of my network marketing team kind of like family, and I want to love them and help them and nurture them. And he's like, yeah, you do, but you also got to look at them as a sports team. You've got to play the A players. You got to spend your time with the starters as much as possible. And you know what, if you take that sports team analogy and you're looking for your starting lineup, well, part of that is you need a coach.
I have noticed so many people on my team seeing the growth in me and coming to me and telling me how much they've seen me improve and grow as a leader over the last year. And I owe it all to Rob Sperry's mastermind because I stepped out of my shell, I got out of my comfort zone, and I'm becoming the leader that I know that I'm capable of being.
When you're a top leader in network marketing, sometimes it can be kind of lonely at the top. And so you kind of need to know other people's systems, what's working for other people, different apps they're using, things that are helping them utilize their time better, who they're hiring to help them scale their business. These little tips and tricks will literally explode your business just by making tiny little small pivots. You'll never know unless you surround yourself in a room of people that are smarter than you, doing better than you, that you can learn from.
And it's so good just to be with leaders from other companies and collaborating and getting ideas from other people.
Rob picks what he calls bucket list locations, and then we get to go, and after a couple days of hard work and lots of learning and of course lots of fun, we've got fabulous dinners, but we go on typically an excursion at the end of the event. So if you want to learn a lot, have a lot of fun, and go to exotic fun locations, this is the mastermind you want to attend.
The last mastermind that I went to 6 months ago compared to now, just from one strategy that I learned, it's been able to help me bring in over $100,000. And what I've learned off of this one, and what it's going to help me going forward, is I will be able to double my business with one strategy that I learned at this one.
This has also given us some actual tools so that we know, okay, this is what we implement first, this is what we implement second, and this is what's working, like these, because what works today is different than 5 years ago, and we have to be constantly growing, constantly learning the newest thing, because 5 years ago, what worked isn't working anymore, and there's other people that are monetizing platforms that we have today that we need to learn how to do.
So if you want to level up, if you want to take your business that next level, I can tell you we've made millions and millions of dollars, but we've also been in the situation that many of you are in, where maybe you're stuck, you're stagnant, your business is declining, you're not where you want to be financially, and you want to get to that next level, you want to have that breakthrough. You need to be where the leaders are. You need to surround yourself with the best. And sometimes it's an investment, sometimes it's scary, sometimes it's a sacrifice, but you got to ask yourself how bad you want it. Why are you doing this deal? You know, who do you want to emulate? Who do you want to have mentor you? Typically, it makes sense to learn from people that have not only created success, but the key is they've helped others have success. And that's why you want to work with Rob. That's why you want to attend a mastermind. The next one's going to be amazing. The one after that's going to be even more incredible. So get invested, get plugged in. Don't miss these events.
And Rob, I'm so appreciative of you. And I can't wait to continue working with you. And I will make it work even after my child.
And that's the truth, the absolute truth.
I can't wait to see you at the next mastermind.